18,000 searches a month for the term puppy training. And then it gives you this option of SEOT, which sounds confusing, but all it really means is how many searches you would get if you ranked #1 on Google. So how many visitors would you get to your website if it was #1? And it's a great indication of, because that's your ultimate goal. Your ultimate goal is to be #1 on Google for every single keyword that you want and get the maximum amount of traffic. So it gives you an idea of how many visitors you would get if you appeared at that top position. The next thing is called phrase to broad match ratio. Again, it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not. All it means is the likelihood of someone, a user, a human, typing that into Google. Because what it does is it takes the data in from the Google keyword tool, but some of the keywords aren't actually how someone would sit at a computer and type them in. And a great example of this is collar training. It's returned a likelihood of someone typing that in of 7%, and it's a really sort of useful indicator, because what it gives you a list of keywords that people like us, people who are using Google, who aren't actually likely to type that in. And so what it stops you from doing is targeting a particular keyword or building a website around the keyword, ranking on Google for that keyword, only to find that actually no one's typing that in, and as a result, it's not a huge amount of value to you. The SEOC just tells you how many pages on Google mention that keyword, and then you've got a trends, which takes information from Google Trends, and it's just really a visual effect to show you whether your keyword is seasonal, so whether people type it in at different points of the year, or whether people actually type it in consistently throughout the year. So you want to use this tool to just analyse the list of keywords that you've generated. So use the Google keyword tool, use the other ones, use the YouTube keyword tool to bring a list of keywords, and then sort of take a look at them further, see how many searches you'll be getting if you ranked #1, see the likelihood of people actually typing this into Google. Okay, so this is just a sort of summary slide of key filters to look out for. It's just the things that we've gone through for your reference when you go back over it, when you have a look through, just so it all sort of makes sense. Okay, so what are you looking for? You want to find those phrases that people are searching for. You want to work out the potential traffic. So